Imagine a vehicle weighing hundreds of tons, a massive commercial jet, touching down at speeds exceeding 150 miles per hour. Bringing that colossal momentum to a complete, safe stop on a relatively short runway is one of the most remarkable feats of engineering you rarely think about. It's not just about slamming on the brakes. To stop this giant, pilots orchestrate a precise, three-part symphony of power, aerodynamics, and advanced materials. Let's uncover the secrets of how a jet stops. The first two steps utilize air power and happen the very second the wheels touch the ground. Step 1. Killing the lift. Those panels called spoilers immediately pop up on the wings. They destroy the aerodynamic lift, effectively gluing the aircraft to the runway, ensuring the wheel brakes get maximum traction. Simultaneously, you hear that roar. That's step 2. Reverse thrust. The engines don't shut down. They instantly redirect their powerful exhaust forward. This acts as a massive air brake, absorbing huge amounts of energy for the initial rapid deceleration. The most powerful step, step 3, involves the wheels themselves. For heavy jets, traditional steel brakes would simply fail and melt. Modern airliners rely on carbon brakes. Why carbon fiber? Because the friction generated during a full stop can heat the brake discs to temperatures over 2000 degrees Celsius. Carbon is incredibly resistant to this thermal stress. It's significantly lighter than steel, which saves millions in fuel costs, but its main job is simple: to withstand that immense heat and friction without losing its stopping power. This gives the pilot the reliable force needed for any emergency stop. To manage all this raw power, every modern jet uses an anti-skid system, the sophisticated version of your car's ABS. This system monitors each wheel individually, ensuring the tires never lock up. It maintains maximum grip even on the slickest, iciest runway, guaranteeing a straight, controlled, and safe stop every single time. The braking sequence is a perfect symphony of physics and precision: reverse thrust, spoilers, and carbon brakes, all working in unison to manage speed and momentum. It's engineering perfection that guarantees the safest possible end to your flight. 2 minutes, one braking secret revealed. Hit subscribe for more aviation deep dives.